Welcome to this video. In this quick tutorial, we will texture this stylized box, and I will share some tips for texturing such models. Like always, I am going to use my gradient color palette. You can download it for free. The link is in the description. I have duplicated the image to get the better view. We will use Project from View, Unwrap from Side View. First, we will start with the overall body gradient. And for that, we will use orange to yellowish gradient. Then I will select the faces with white hair to give it lighter gradient, and this will give the contrast in the texture. I am just fixing the tail part, which I didn't finish while modeling. Again, following the reference image, I will select the face, which require the lighter gradient near the face. Here I am making the geometry for the nose, and I will give it a bit darker gradient. Again, following the reference image, I will select the face, which require the lighter gradient near the legs. Just to add more visual interest, I will move down few vertices. And you can select the alternate vertices using the checker deselect option. And we have finally textured this box. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will meet again in the next video.